Let us understand exception handling in Python. Handling errors in Python, where we can understand through our implementations. Python makes available features to handle any unexpected error in your program and to add debugging capabilities where we can prefer exception handlers. Exception handling is something if you have some apprehensive code that may raise an exception, and you can secure your program by placing such suspicious code in a try block, where the try block consists of the major implementation part of the program at which we can utilize our general executions. Once the try block includes, we define another block as except with statements. This will handle the problems which are possible and that may arise during the failure of try block. Let us find the syntactical approach. We specify the coding operation over the try block. Except is another alternative block that helps you to define an error, identify the error, and this will be caused on failure of try block execution. There can be multiple exceptions where we can utilize multiple except block with individual type of exceptions. Then it may cause the rise of exception either from except 1 or except 2. If there is no exception, it will fire automatically the else block, which is in success of try block to say program completed or concluded without any failures. How many type of exceptions are available and what are those names? We can identify through the list where we are finding an individual type of exception over here. These are all the list of exceptions. Those are occurred during the failure of execution of try block. When we have to handle multiple exceptions, as usually once the try block is coded, we can maintain the list of name of exceptions separated by comma, where we can identify all individual type of exceptions in one go. On success, it will reach else block and finally block over here. Try block with the statements. On success, it will be completed and moving further, and finally block we will use even after except block. This will maintain a finalized execution of our program. We can pass arguments under the exception by specifying the name of an object of an argument along with the name of an exception. How do we raise an exception? In order to raise exception in the program, this can be defined in different ways. One of the approach where I want to show in the form of my code. So if level 1 is less than 1 or some number where we use the keyword rise that will rise the name of exception with the message, and this can be handled through the try block on call of the function. Now let us find here, I want to raise an exception during the try block. For example, to say I want to raise network error as an exception to say bad host name, which is caught by the except block to find out the error, and that can be printed over. Let us go with the coding based example for our application.